Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Data presentation. Textual presentation. This method comprises presenting data with the help of a paragraph or a number of paragraphs. The official report of an investigation commission is usually prepared by textual presentation. The benefits of this mode of presentation lies in its simplicity, and even a layman can understand the data. The observations with exact magnitude can be presented with the help of textual presentation. Moreover, this type of presentation can be taken as the first step towards development of other methods of presentation. Textual presentation is not preferred by a statistician simply because it is dull, monotonous. Tabular presentation. Tabular presentation or tabulation refers to presentation of data with the help of statistical table having a number of rows and columns and complete with reference number, title, description rows as well as columns and footnotes if any. Rules for tabular presentation. A statistical table should be allotted a serial number along with a self-explanatory title. The table under consideration should be divided into caption, box head, stub and body. Caption is the proper part of the table describing the columns and subcolumns if any. The box head is the entire upper part of the table which includes columns and some subcolumns numbers, units of measurement along with caption. Stub is the left part of the table providing the description of the rows. The body is the main part of the table and contains the numerical figures. The table should be well balanced in length and breadth. The data must be arranged in a table in such a way that comparison between different figures are made possible without much labor and time. Also, the row totals, column totals and units of measurement must be shown. The data should be arranged intelligently in a well-balanced sequence, and the presentation of data in the table should be appealing to the eyes as far as practicable. Notes describing the source of data and bringing clarity if necessary about any rows or columns known as footnotes should be shown at the bottom of the table. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.